Hello everyone, my name is Ronak and I'm back with a new video on how to create resume using AI. In my previous video, I have talked about a tool called Kick Resume, which uses AI to create resume. And similarly, this is one more tool called ResumeMaker.Online, which will help you create a professional resume in the easiest way possible. So without any further ado, let's get started. And for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot and it motivates me to create more such videos. So moving ahead, let's open this website. I will leave the link in the description. You can check this out. Let's go ahead and click on create a resume. Let's type in your name, your role. You can select a profile picture. Let me see if I have some pictures available. Let's select this. Let's enter a professional summary. You can use either write your own professional summary or you can use AI to write the summary. Let's click on AI, IT analyst, years of experience, a lot of experience, and generate a summary. And the AI powered bot will generate a summary for you. You can either choose to use this summary or generate a new one. Let's go with use this summary. And then let's go to the work experience. Let's use AI to write the work experience. Let's use present tense. So you can choose from one of these, or you can either also choose multiple. You can add these experiences. You can enter the employer name, say Google, from current, and then you can also choose to add more experiences, and you can even remove experiences. Apart from that, you can add your educational qualifications, your school, the skills. Here if I go and add some skills, I can use AI to write these skills. So let's click on generate hard skills, and the AI will help you in writing those skills. In addition to that, you can add your own skills that you possess. Let me select these. Let's and click on add. So once I'm done with adding the skills, I'll go to the personal details like location, your email address, and your phone number. And you can also choose to add more sections by going into the edit sections, and here you can toggle these sections like website, LinkedIn, and then you can add skills called soft skills, additional languages, hobbies, and so on. So once you add those, you can fill in those details here, and the AI will also help you in writing these. And apart from that, you have the theme to change. You can change the color theme from blue to pink, orange, and black. And then we have the font. You can either choose from the fonts that are available here, and the AI will change the entire font scheme for the resume. I will keep it to default. You can also change the text size. You can play around with this, and once you are done, you can download this PDF. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel, and that motivates me to create more such videos, and I'll be back with other video on using AI to create resume. Hope you all like watching this video. Till then, bye bye.